Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. And of course, we're mapping out the entire range since these highs haven't been taken out yet. Sorry, this high hasn't been taken out yet, so technically still in this range. Of course, prices retrace back down to discount, and then buyers step back in. Internally, swing structure bullish, internal structure bullish, fractals is starting to break bullish. Of course, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Higher lows that did consolidate for a while. I was waiting to see if the liquidity on these lows is going to be taken out, but looks like not. Because CPI today, US dollar, DXY, the dollar index, sorry, is actually trending down today. On the CPI news, as we expect this high to be broken, currently Wednesday morning, prices are starting to look very bullish for Euro USD and these dollar pairs. Expecting this high of the overall range to be taken out. Finally, after all of this time, like I said, swing structure bullish, frank structure bullish. Only looking for buying opportunities right now. GBP, USD, similar situation. Let's go and map out the current range. As prices continue to move higher, it's the high of the overall range. There's liquidity sitting under these lows. Swept some of them. So some of the liquidity sitting under the lows, but not all the way. Didn't trace back into discount overall. Could possibly still do that. But today, since based off CPI news, buyers are starting to step back in on these US dollar pairs. So technically, this is a higher low, and expect this liquidity sitting over these highs to be taken out, and the highs of the range to be taken out. Looking for any type of opportunity to buy. This is bullish momentum. Good buying opportunity once to start taking out these highs, and it's on its way to do that. AUD USD starting to break out of the consolidated structure that it was in. Let's go and map out the current range. Structure is breaking to the upside right now. Let's go and map out the current range. Prices continue to move higher. This was the high. This is the low that broke the high. So this is the current range. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Higher lows start to consolidate, like I was saying yesterday. Now starting to break out past, because it was starting to form a sideways triangle and liquidity building under the lows. Of course, liquidity building over the highs. Waiting to see a breakout, and the breakout, CPI is the catalyst for the breakout. And the liquidity over the highs has been taken out. The structure has continued bullish. So currently, right now, only buying opportunities once it does retrace back. Looking for any type of buying opportunity. We could have taken an opportunity once it started to break out of this consolidated range right here. NZD USD, go map out the current range. All of these are breaking out now. Starting with this low. It's the low that broke the high of the overall structure, previous structure. Continue to make it higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Start to consolidate earlier this week, just like with the other US dollar pairs. Consolidated sideways, waiting to see the breakout, liquidity of the highs, breaking out. Currently, right now, Wednesday morning, off of CPI news, just like the other dollar pairs, as prices continue to trade higher, looking to target the highs of the lower range and form a new structure, new range. Looking for any type of retracement once that happens, but right now, bullish momentum is picking up. Could be a buying opportunity as it is breaking out now. GBP AUD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Waiting to see these lows get taken out. It's the bearish swing structure, bearish swing structure. This high is rejected. So let's step back in. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Start to consolidate. Waiting to see it take out this area of support. Structure did break to the downside. I'm looking for any type of retracement. So any type of retracement, which was earlier this morning. Looking to take any sales. If any type of retracement did just kind of consolidate and give a good retracement, but could have taken any type of sell here. Targeting the lows of the overall range. Expecting the bearish momentum to continue. And it's picking up due to of course, CPI and the cross pairs tend to follow what the dollar index is doing. So good opportunity to sell now. It's not investment advice. And GBP NZD, let's go ahead and map out the current range. Range we've been dealing with. Of course, prices retrace back into premium. Then sellers step back in, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Start to consolidate sideways. So I map out or drew the liquidity building up. Start to squeeze. Wanted to see it get past these lows, get past the support, and it did. Look for any type of selling opportunity. Once it retraces, it's retraced more than GBP AUD, so this is better selling opportunity now. And when it retraced back, let's go ahead and that was the previous squeeze that the price was in. Continues to make lower lows, lower highs internally. Swing structure bearish, internal structure bearish, and starting to break down now to further lower prices, targeting the lower price of the overall range. So just looking for any type of selling opportunities, like it may be now. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.